Hello there and welcome to the Strawberry Swing Walk, designed for lifting your mood instantly. Our inspiration comes from the strawberry plant, the strawberry swing. Sometimes we feel down, nervous, or disappointed. We're human beings, therefore we have those emotions. However, if you want to or have to get into a good mood fast, you can by doing the strawberry swing walk. This walk gets you into a positive posture straight away. This is important because our posture affects how we feel. It affects our psychology. So what is the strawberry swing walk? There are 3 elements. First, walk with a gentle swing from side to side. And give your moment-to-moment attention to each step. Second, walk with a positive posture, with your back relaxed and yet upright. Third, walk with a soft smile on the lips and have the intention to feel good. There you go. This is the strawberry swing walk, the new walking mindfulness meditation. So practice this on a daily basis, 60 steps each time. Next time, if an occasion arises when you want to or have to get into a good mood fast, you can just get up and do 60 steps of the strawberry swing walk. Let me know how you go. If you wish to find out more information about the walk or the positive posture, you can watch the 8-minute full version. You can find the link in the description section below. Okay, till next time, have fun practicing.